Guys, I'm doing a rebuild on the Hilux. I didn't like it, so I bought a new body with unmodified cards and we're gonna go again. Check it out, guys. As you can see, we've been quite busy working on this body. Dang, check that out. What do you guys reckon? Got the body all finished up. Now, got these for the front. We're going to do a cantilevered system in the rear. So I'm just waiting on a few parts for that we can get that sitting good. I'll get rid of these and put his in there. And yeah, then we got I wanted to go the rear cantilever just so we can keep the bed. I really like that look. And then we've got the 90mm for the front. Keep that sitting nice and low. We might move them back a little bit. Get a bit more trouble, but yeah. How good? Let's get into it. Check this out, guys. He actually sent me two versions, a stronger version and the first version. But definitely go check him out. Addicted RC Fab. What a legend. Appreciate ya. Thank you heaps. Alright, the body is mounted. How easy is that? Look at that. He looks so sick. The front alignment's pretty good. I need to move that forward just a smidgen, I reckon. But I love how that sits on there. So next step is to shorten up the rear to get that to suit. Big shortening. Lengthen that a tiny bit and we'll be spot on. I might quickly just switch those shotkeys over and then yeah, we'll be happy days. Check these out. I've never had such nice shocks. And we'll go on the Proline Pro Spec Scalar shocks. Look at that. Dual strings, or you can run just a single one.
Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Hope you're enjoying the rebuild on the SCX-10-2 Hilux. I'm frothing it. It's way more the style I was after. More of a scale trail truck. I just went off the rails a bit with the last pre-runner style truck. So I'm really frothing this one. And yeah, guys, check these mounts out. You got to definitely get yourself a set of these. Send me a DM and I can hook you up. But look at that. We got new shocks in. Front links all adjusted. I might actually shorten them. I think it might be a tiny bit too far forwards, but the approach angle is mint. So probably leave it, but yeah, I drilled and tapped the rear links to get them all working. Waiting on some parts for this rear cantilever, but I'm so pumped for that. We're gonna have it sitting nice and low in the rear. So that's it for this ep. In the next episode, I'm gonna be tackling the bull bar, rear bar, and we might cut the bonnet and hinge it. I'll let you know though. What do you guys think? Leave it closed or put it on a hinge? And is there anything else you guys want to see in here? Do you want to see some roll bars? We could fab up some metal. It looks pretty cool. 2 of those, or just keep it minimal. Do you want to see a spare tire? A spare tire, I think it's too big. Looks a bit dorky, but if we had a drop bed and it could sit down low, I'd put it there. But not under the chassis like the real ones. Anyways, thanks heaps for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.